When it comes to unique creatures, Mother Nature never fails to deliver. From the surface floating blue dragon to a real-life Pokémon, there's no shortage of fascinating animals out there. Some of them are hidden away in remote lands, others in the depths of the blue sea, but all of them are a mystery to most. Get ready to meet 12 of the most unusual animals on the planet. They'll make you wonder what else is hiding out there. One of the oddest animals you might encounter, and first on the list, is the Venezuelan poodle moth. This fuzzy moth was discovered in Venezuela in 2009, and has a poodle-like fur covering its head, thorax, abdomen, and wings. It also has large black eyes and antennae that resemble feathers. Coming at number 2 is Glaucus Atlanticus. Also known as the blue dragon, this creature is a species of blue sea slug that floats on the surface of the ocean. It has a gas-filled sac in its stomach that helps it stay buoyant, and a bright blue color that warns predators of its toxicity. It floats upside down on the surface of the water, using the surface tension to stay up. It uses its blue side to blend in with the sky, and its silver side to blend in with the sea. It feeds on venomous siphonophores, such as the Portuguese man-o'-war, and stores their stinging cells in its own tissues. It can use these cells to defend itself from predators or humans. It forms groups with other blue dragons, called blue fleets, which can be carried by the wind and ocean currents. Another weird and wonderful creature at number 3 is the axolotl. This is a type of salamander that can stay in its larval form for its whole life. It has external gills, a dorsal fin, and a long tail. It can also regenerate its limbs, organs, and parts of its brain. It is native to Mexico, but it is critically endangered in the wild due to habitat loss and pollution. Next at number 4 is the Dumbo Octopus. This octopus is a type of deep-sea octopus that has ear-like fins on its head. It is named after the Disney character Dumbo the elephant. There are 17 species of Dumbo octopuses, and they can live in depths of up to 7,000 meters, or 23,000 feet. They feed on crustaceans, worms, and other small animals. They can change their color and shape to blend in with their surroundings or express their emotions. At number 5 is the Macrina Microa. Macrina Microa is a deep-sea fish that has a transparent head and tubular eyes. It belongs to the barrel-eye family and is the only species in its genus. It can rotate its eyes within its head to look for prey above or in front of it. It lives in the Pacific Ocean at depths of 600 to 800 meters or 2,000 to 2,600 feet. It feeds on small fish and jellyfish, and sometimes steals food from siphonophores. Coming up at number 6 is the Brisia Nana. Brisia Nana is a species of chameleon that was discovered in 2021 in Madagascar. It is also known as the nanochameleon because it is the smallest reptile in the world. The male nanochameleon measures only 13.5 millimeters from snout to vent, while the female is slightly larger at 29 millimeters. Unlike some chameleons, Brisia Nana does not change colors. It lives on the forest floor and feeds on mites and springtails. At number 7 is the shoebill. A shoebill is a large, gray bird that lives in the swamps of East Africa. It has a huge, shoe-shaped bill that it uses to catch fish, frogs, and other animals. It is also known as the whale-headed stork, but it is not closely related to storks. It is more closely related to pelicans and herons. It is a rare and endangered species, with only a few thousand left in the wild. Number 8 is the pangolin. A pangolin is a mammal that has scales made of keratin, the same material as our fingernails. Pangolins are also known as scaly anteaters because they eat mainly ants and termites. They can roll up into a ball when they feel threatened and use their long tongues to catch their prey. Pangolins are found in Asia and Africa, and there are 8 different species of them. Unfortunately, pangolins are endangered because of poaching and habitat loss. This scaly mammal is the world's most trafficked animal, as its meat and scales are highly valued in some Asian countries. Next at number 9 is elephant shrew. This small mammal has a long nose that resembles an elephant's trunk, which it uses to sniff out insects and worms. It is not related to elephants or shrews, but belongs to a unique order of mammals called Macrocelidia. Elephant shrews are found in various habitats across Africa, and they feed mainly on insects and other small invertebrates. They are fast runners and can reach speeds of up to 28.8 km per hour or 17.9 miles per hour. There are about 20 species of elephant shrews, ranging in size from 50 to 700 grams. At number 10 is the Thorny Dragon. This spiky lizard lives in the deserts of Australia, where it camouflages itself with its brown and yellow coloration. It can also collect water from dew or rain on its skin, and channel it to its mouth through special grooves. At number 11 is the Prosis Monkey. This monkey has a distinctive large nose that hangs down over its mouth. The nose helps to amplify its calls, and also attracts mates. It lives in the mangroves and swamps of Borneo, where it feeds on leaves and fruits. Rounding off the list at number 12 is the Okari. This animal looks like a cross between a zebra and a giraffe, but it is actually related to the latter. It has striped legs and a long tongue that can reach its ears and eyes. It lives in the rainforest of the Democratic Republic of Congo and eats plants, clay, and bat guano. The 12 rare animals we've explored today are just a small glimpse of the incredible biodiversity that exists on our planet. It's amazing to think that there are still so many mysteries waiting to be discovered in the animal kingdom. So, tell us, did you know about any of these animals before now? Which one would you say is like a real-life Pokemon? Well, that's it for today on Curious Gate. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell for notifications so you don't miss when we upload new content. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay curious.